Hi, welcome to training for Tririga Capital's projects. Tririga is an application used by the Department of Veteran Affairs to capture and record data related to capital projects. This records information pertaining to the project itself, contracts within the project, submittal packages, RFIs, potential change orders, and so on. This application is web-based. It can be accessed anywhere you have an internet connection. You will be provided with a login from your field support staff if you do not have one already. Today we will be going over potential change orders, starting with the contractor's perspective. So our next step will be to log into Tririga as our contractor and creating our PCO. All right, so every time when you log in, just make sure you're in the correct project. Check your project data up at the top right. I want to be in CFM Project 1, which I am, so we're good to go. Next, we want to find where to create PCOs. That'll be on the left-hand side under Project Data, COs, PCOs, RFQs. You can click to expand it. Click on Potential Change Orders to be taken to the Potential Change Order page. While here, click Add to begin creating a new PCO. First thing you want to do when it opens up is select your contract by clicking on the spyglass to the right. If you only belong to one contract, it'll automatically select it for you, but if you belong to more than one, like I do here, click the radio box to the left of the one you'd like to select, and then click OK. In the general section, start typing the name. You need to preface this with D, capital D, letter number 1, lowercase a, dash, the number potential change order on, say 10,000 for this case, dash the name, you need to go on and check the date. It'll auto-populate with today's current date. If that is not correct, click the calendar to the right and select the proper date. After your date and name look okay, click Create Draft. We'll move on to the reference section. We will select our construction class by clicking the spyglass, picking the correct construction class. Next, we will choose the discipline by doing the same thing, clicking the spyglass and then clicking our discipline. Type in the section, type in section 6, let's print it. We'll move down to the change order notes section. This is where we'll write a detailed explanation of what the issues are and what is causing this potential change order. Yep. Right beneath that, we'll find the cost impact section. If there's a cost impact, we can click Add to create one. Open up a small window for us to work in. We will bring over the name of the PCO itself. You can scroll back up to find that. Double check that the date is correct. Line number will be line number 0, it's the first line item. Leave quantity set as 1. Set the rate as the expected cost impact. So we'll say it's going to impact $10,000. If there are any related RFIs that explain or help better explain this cost impact, please click Find to select them. It's a little bit bigger. Trouble seeing everything in the window. All right. You can drag the windows around if you need to. Select the RFIs that are needed. Click OK to attach them. Find them added to this list. Double check your data and everything looks okay. Click Create. The window will close and you'll see that your cost impact is now recorded. Here's the drawing impact. Please go to the drawing impact tab and explain here. Click Save to commit that data. And if there is a schedule impact, click the schedule impact tab. To change this from no to yes. Choose how many days this impacts the schedule. Clicking the calendar, typing in the amount of days. Say this impacts by 20 days. And here is your schedule impact note field. You can describe schedule impact is here. Click Save to save that data. Next, we go to the Notes and Documents tab. Here is where you will upload any documents that are pertinent to this PCO. Under the Related Documents section, go to the right, click Upload. While here, you can just find your file and drag and drop it into the window. You'll see it adds it to this list. Click Submit to begin uploading. Once it's done uploading, the window will close. Find your PCO once again, and you'll see that your document is now uploaded. We can save, and then we'll move on to the Notifications tab, where we will pick someone to send this to. In this case, we want to send this to our SRE, who on this project is Test 27. So under Manual Approvers, go to the right, find Add Person. Test 27, hit Enter to search for them. Check them off, click OK to add them to the list. All right, then we can save that once more. Then we will click Issue to send it on its way. After you click Issue, the option will disappear, and it's safe to close the window. Now your PCO is sent off to the SRE for their review. Afterwards, after they completed their review, you'll get a notification saying that your review has been completed, and depending on what the SRE decides, they may mark it complete and consider it done there, or they can award it into a change order. Thank you very much.